Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sugar cookie syrup. Start by measuring equal parts sugar and water, then melt sugar slowly over low heat while stirring. Add a pinch of salt and a pat of butter to round flavor and improve texture. Simmer gently until syrup reaches desired consistency, then remove from heat and stir in vanilla for cookie-like aroma. Cool before bottling and store in the fridge. For flavored sugar cookie syrup, start with the basic syrup and choose one primary flavor. Split a vanilla bean and scrape seeds into the hot syrup for intense aroma, or add 1 teaspoon of almond extract for a cookie bakery note. For seasonal versions, simmer with a cinnamon stick or orange zest for 5 minutes, then strain. This keeps the syrup smooth while capturing the spice. Taste and adjust sweetness before cooling. Use your sugar cookie syrup broadly to add bakery charm to drinks and desserts. Spoon over pancakes or stir into milk for a cookie-flavored latte that mixes smoothly. It also enhances cocktail mixers and dessert sauces without graininess if strained well. Label the jar with the date and keep refrigerated, using within 2 weeks for peak freshness. Reheat gently if thickened and stir before serving for consistent pourability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.